Okay, welcome to our Maple Science project on states of matter.
Yeah.
So there's 3 states of matter. Do you know what the 3 states of matter are?
Gas, solid, liquid.
Yeah.
And liquid is like water.
Yeah.
Gas is like the stuff when you cook and it steams up.
Yeah.
And cold is like when something you freeze in the refrigerator.
Yeah. And what is something that's solid? Something you can touch, right?
Maybe my desk.
Yeah, like your desk. And Zizibaquidabo, the maple sap, Zizibaquidabo, what is it?
Syrup.
The sap.
Sap.
Yeah, Zizibaquidabo.
And yesterday
is a
we made
sap.
sugar.
That's true.
It's a thinny.
So which state of matter is Zizibaquidabo, the sap?
Liquid.
Yeah. And when we...
But it could be gas if you like cook it.
Yeah.
It could steam up.
Yeah. And we cook it when we want to make Shiwaga Mizigan syrup. Maple syrup. Shiwaga Mizigan.
And today what are we making?
Maple muffins.
Listen, that's a tongue twister.
Yeah, that is kind of a tongue
Think about
twister.
it.
Yeah, so how many buckets of Zizibaquidabo does it take to make 1 bucket of Shiwaga Mizigan? If we want to make 1 bucket of syrup, how many buckets? 40. And what happens to the other 39? What happens to all the rest of that liquid?
I don't know. It's the gas.
Yeah, it turns to steam. Yeah, and then it goes in the air. We can't find it. It's there somewhere. We just can't find it. It's invisible. And yesterday we actually made, out of our Shiwaga Mizigan, we made Anishinaabe Zizibaquid. We made sugar. What did we have to do to make?
It's actually the most healthy sugar on the planet.
It is it's one of the most healthy sugars that we can get.
It's still carby.
Yeah, it still has carbs and it still
Every
has
sugar
energy.
has carb.
Yeah, but it also has lots of vitamins.
You need carbs to survive.
You do. Everybody needs energy. Especially you. You have lots of it. So, how do we make the sugar from the Shiwaga
we
Mizigan?
blended it up.
Yeah.
And then we put it in the thingamabobby
Yeah.
for like 5 minutes. And then we left it in for like an extra 2 minutes by accident.
Yeah, I did that. Look.
And then we mixed it. It was funny.
Yeah. And what made it turn into sugar? The mixing? 2 things. The mixing and what else?
The cooking.
The cooking. How high did we have to get it to?
128.
Yeah. And you know what happens to Zizibaquidabo when we put it in the freezer? What happens?
It gets solid.
Yeah, when it's cold. So we can make it into a solid with heat or with cold. Sounds good. I think is that everything? Can you say the words? Zizibaquidabo.
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 Almost. Wobble.
Jab.
Zizibaquid.
Zizibaquid.
Abo.
Abu.
And Shiwaga Mizigan.
Ziwaga.
Yeah. And Anishinaabe Zizibaquid.
Anishinaabe Zizibaquid.
Good job.
Miigwech.